Everyone. I thank the organizers for inviting me here to the e-conference today. My topic for the e-conference today is organizational culture and CSR initiatives in employee engagement post-pandemic period. In today's world, everyone is running all over to make ends meet and pay bills, etc. And it's getting more and more competitive every passing day for sure. Probably unwillingly, everyone is occupied in chasing targets and handling their issues that we forget that there is a world around that is not as privileged as we are. Corporate social responsibility, directly or indirectly, helping in making it their contribution through CSR companies in India that fall in certain areas and having their criteria to make contribution towards the betterment and welfare of the society and the country. Corporate social responsibility is a transformational initiative or activity practiced by Indian corporations mandated by the government. It is a positive step towards collective participants, upliftment and well-being of the community. The CSR activities in India need to be alignment with the socio-economic development of the society in some way or the other. The key areas here of the study is that in industry 4.0, which is having internet of things, sustainability, environmental sustainability, sustainable development, corporate social responsibility is a when business takes into account its overall impact socially, economically and environmentally and launches initiatives to ensure its positive impact. Yeah, moving further to our study, the CSR activities which are mandatory and they are to be having relationship with this employee engagement and different ways how they will be engaged and the challenges faced by HR professionals while engaging these employees for CSR activities. The corporate social responsibility is a transformational initiative and activity practiced by Indian corporations which is mandated by the government, and there is no definitive description that can define corporate social responsibility activities completely. Still, to help the and understand and get an idea of what comprises of CSR, it has been defined under the CSR rules and activities in Schedule 7 which are taken by the board and that have been recommended by CSR committees, declared policy by the government, and this would be subject to the condition under this policy. Programs or projects which are relating to activities specified in Schedule 7 are to be declared by the committee and as per the policy, and they are to be engage in projects and programs relating to activities enlisted, while qualifying listed companies must engage in CSR activities in India. Flexibility has been given to the company and CSR committee to decide which activities in India, flexibility, areas of development that may contribute in, and these activities taken up must be compulsorily displayed on the company website if any. Then CSR and employee engagement, company's perspective. And to come to the further down, culture inevitably is difficult to change and manage as it essentially represents the accumulative beliefs, attitudes and values that individuals within an organization can be changed. Leaders of a change process need to realize that most changes within an organization will usually cause and expect some change in its existing culture and its subcultures, which changes like certain values, attitudes, assumptions and behaviors and overall mindset of each and every stakeholders. Therefore, having a better understanding on the effects change has been on the subcultures of an organization, group or team will in turn help leaders to change process better understand the resistance toward the change itself and provide a more realistic approach and to manage the CSR activities in the company. And further down, if they are not to be cannot manage with it, so they can appoint some consultants and take their help and some stakeholders which are helpful in initiating the CSR activities and strategically led change and help identify and select the selection reward and induction training programs. However, general employees are to make an effective contribution to a successful cultural change. They need a better understanding of the organization's overall strategy, vision, and commercial awareness, and how this change will affect the current and traditional way of doing things. CSR in when a business takes into account overall impact socially, economically, and environmentally, launches initiatives to ensure its positive impact. CSR development and successful implementation attract long-term positive image for the enterprise among employees and other stakeholders. For the research work done, it can be concluded that CSR is an important driver for engaging the employees in an organization. It helps to build a positive picture among employees for the organization. The only change faced by the organization engaging employees in CSR activities is to motivate and educate them about the advantages of CSR activities. Thank you. That's from my side. Thank you.